This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
As we're well aware, light-duty trucks are appealing to more than just tradesmen these days. An example of that is the latest version of the Chevrolet Silverado. The test vehicle in this case came with the Z71 performance package and the Trail Boss trim level. What does that mean when a driver gets behind the wheel? For one thing, it's performance from a 3-liter Duramax diesel engine. It's rated at 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. It was paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts so smoothly. With this much torque, it proved to be more than capable in either 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive setups. Unlike earlier editions of the Silverado, this one also came with a highly sophisticated suspension system which adapts to different driving conditions. With 18-inch wheels and a serious off-road setup, the Trail Boss model is also a tall vehicle. Thank goodness for running boards to make access and egress easier. That stance has also helped with the 2-inch lift kit, which helps lift it clear rocks and other obstacles when traveling on unpaved roads.
There are a lot of advancements in this version of the Silverado. One that we really like is this. The Magic Gate, which originally premiered on the GMC. Now it's down to the Chevrolet version.
Along with the tailgate, our test model also enjoys other upgrades formerly reserved for luxury platforms. That is evident in the infotainment cluster, where the Google Assistant plays a large role. Since crew cab configurations have become the norm with light and medium-duty trucks, we also appreciated the features that come with that kind of arrangement. Chevy is wisely offering both USB-A and USB-C ports to charge phones and tablets. Rear seat passengers are no longer second-class citizens with ample legroom and under-seat storage availability. But don't let the pretty touches fool you. It can still earn a living with a 13,000-pound tow capacity. While Chevrolet and its parent company General Motors is moving toward fully electric drivetrains, this kind of diesel will be around for a while for those drivers who want to stick with something proven and tried. I'm Greg Morrison.